Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study psychology effectively. To tackle a subject like psychology in a single day, you must be strategic. Begin by identifying the most crucial topics and concepts that frequently appear in assessments. Dedicate your limited time to mastering these foundational ideas, ensuring a solid grasp of the subject's core. This focused approach will maximize your learning efficiency and boost your confidence significantly. Active learning is paramount for rapid retention. Instead of passively reading, actively test your knowledge. Try to explain concepts aloud without looking at your notes. Flashcards are excellent for memorizing key terms, theories, and the names of influential psychologists. Spend at least 30 minutes practicing potential exam questions to solidify your understanding and improve your recall under pressure. Effective summarization helps consolidate vast amounts of information. After studying a chapter, create a one-page summary of its main points. This process forces you to identify and articulate the most important details. Review these summaries frequently throughout the day. Aim for at least 3 review sessions, each lasting 20 minutes, to reinforce your memory and connect various psychological concepts. A positive mindset is crucial for intense study. Ensure you are well-rested and hydrated to maintain focus and energy levels. Take short, 5-minute breaks every hour to prevent burnout and allow your brain to process information. Remember, consistent effort over a focused period yields significant results. Believe in your ability to absorb and recall the material effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.